Hey guys, it's Kevin Rute here from Voy Media, and today I want to talk to you guys about a really good topic that we get asked a lot here, working with clients, working with partners, or even for when I'm doing my own stores. And the question is, what should my ROAS be? So first, let's talk about ROAS and what the definition of ROAS means. ROAS is return on ad spend. So for example, let's say you have a product, a widget, and you sold it for $100. That's essentially your conversion value. And it costs you $20 on Facebook to sell it. Facebook will say, hey, your ROAS is gonna be 5. And remember, ROAS is not a Facebook thing, it's just another normal marketing term, and you can calculate this on Excel, or even Google has this as well. Now for your widget, your ROAS is 5, which in theory sounds great, but if you sell for 100 and it costs you $20 to advertise, it also costs you maybe $80 to make. That means in total, it costs you $100 to sell this thing for $100. That means you essentially have broken even or made no money. This is where we tell brands and partners we work with is your ROAS is going to be unique and different depending on where you are in your business and how you're thinking about it. For you, if you're watching this, when you want to think about ROAS, you want to think about how much it's going to cost me to advertise on Facebook. And this is a number that sometimes you might not know. Sometimes people want us to predict this number. What's my customer acquisition cost going to be? I don't know. We got to test it on Facebook. But at the same time, you at least have some numbers that know this is the raw cost of making my product or widget. You can at least always tell people estimate higher because it's going to be hard to find people to convert if you're a new brand, if you have never done marketing before for your brand, if you need to think about your copy, your landing pages, everything that's involved in getting a sale. Predicting your ROAS is very tough for us as an agency to do or other marketers to do, but we can help you with calculators, and we have calculators here that help us do that. So if you guys want the calculator, feel free to email me, Kevin@VoyMedia, and I can help you out. And just one final thing for you guys to be thinking about ROAS. ROAS is also dependent on where you are in your business. So for example, let's say you're Uber or Lyft, venture-funded companies raise hundreds of millions of dollars. When they spend on Facebook and Google, they have a much lower ROAS because what are they optimizing for? Right now, they're optimizing for growth. So they just want as many new customers as possible. And now, for example, let's say there's another ride-sharing company that's bootstrapped. They probably are not optimizing all for growth. They're probably optimizing for profitability. So their ROAS now is gonna be much higher because their business model is different. Their state of mind is differently. They don't need to grow out at all costs. This is something to be thinking about too. Depending on where you are in your business, your ROAS might be a little bit higher than normal, lower than normal, but it all dependent on your unit economics and sort of what you want to do for your business. So guys, thanks for watching this episode on YouTube. Please make sure to like, subscribe. Any questions or comments, feel free to post it on YouTube, or you can always email me, Kevin@VoyMedia. And remember, we are hiring, so please, if you're interested in working for us, email me, Kevin@VoyMedia. Thanks.